When I was a young man growing up on the top of the Himalayas doing a sound check. We're gonna do something a little different today. I don't know how good these are gonna be. We're bringing it back, baby. Nintendo. Let's go. Here we go. Select your player. Ho. Yippee. It's Luigi time. I'm a Wario. I'm gonna win. Wah! Wah! Waluigi. Is that what he sounds like? Wah, 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 wah. Hey! Hey! Remember, I forget, Link sees something scary in Ocarina of Time, and he goes like, hey! Hello? Link! Hey! Listen! I can't do midna. Ping pong ding dong ding. No, okay, I don't know what that was. Pikachu! Pika Pika! Pikachu! Chew! Chew! Square out, square out, square out, square out, square out, square out. Snorlax. Wait. Jigglypuff, Jigglypuff. Pew! Pew! Buckle! Punch! Fucking kick! Show me your moves! Forget something. Ooh, 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 ooh. Goron City. Dun 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 dun. That wasn't even a thing. I don't know. Am I missing anybody? Wah, Luigi, wah. Huh. It's Luigi time. That's it. Hey! Hey!